there's no doubt a media program is a performance as far as so obviously kind of getting yourself up for between 4 to 7 and between 11 and 12 does require a particular, commitment and energy. But for me, anything is better than getting up at 4 to 5 in the morning. I found that really difficult because your whole sleep pattern at the weekend. So I ended up, because I didn't sleep at all at the weekends when I wasn't taking sleeping tablets, I said to hell, I may as well do a 3 hour Sunday program as well. I found that whole schedule, I literally last July 16 had to stop it because I just found it unsustainable. This is much more manageable. And also there is a complementarity between the topics we'll be covering. It's nearly all current affairs.
Actually, just my own case, I mean, I would agree with Ivan about the early morning start. My late father was a confectioner. He used to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and cycle to work. And he used to always say to me, whatever you do, never get a job that requires having to get up that early in the morning. So I've always tried to stick to that.